We're rounding the corner on this two-day soaker. Going to show you who had the most rain in the gauge. First, we head out to the Quarry Market on our Friday night. It's a pretty night as far as the lights are concerned. We're still under a mostly cloudy sky. And the smokestacks, by the way, at the quarry are lit in a beautiful spring arrangement of color. Happy Easter from our good friends at the Quarry Market. North wind near 10 miles per hour, dew point at 52, which isn't far away from an air temperature of 54. So the atmosphere nearly saturated. We're at 93% humidity, so the atmosphere can hold a little bit more water. Today's numbers, 54. 2 days in a row that we're nearly 30 degrees below seasonal average of 79. Far cry from the record of 99. I want to show you that we had another ½ inch of rain today. So far for the month, which has been the last 2 days, 1.63 in San Antonio. And since January 1, just under 5 inches. Now, 4.8 in San Antonio. In the last 2 days, Hallettsville, look at this, 6.77. Gonzales, 6.5. Campbellton, 6.25. 6.2 in Yoakum, and of course, they're all east of San Antonio, except Campbellton, that's south in Atascosa County. So consider that when you look at 4.8 for us since January 1. Karnes City almost did that exactly. Then you can see Canyon Lake and New Braunfels around 2 inches. Same at Seguin, Bernie about 1.5 inches. Garden Ridge a little more than 1 inch. The rain tonight is going to probably move into Fredericksburg. Pretty good thunderstorm right here. Nothing severe. Might see a little small hail at the most with something like this, but we won't see damaging winds and certainly nothing tornadic. It looks like it stays north of Kerrville, but it could clip Comfort if it holds together out there tonight. And then farther southeast and down along the coast, some showers are still moving. And you can see moving east is some pretty good rain from Houston into Louisiana. But boy, what a couple of days. And now we're getting some good dry air to build in, and the radar is going to start turning quiet. But you can see that the bulk of the rain stayed to the south. We really need it right here where we've got the worst drought condition. Now the drying. Water vapor shows you just that kind of drying edge moving in quickly, drying the mid-levels fast, and now all this moisture races off to the east. And now Georgia's waiting for it. And with the Masters, it's going to be interesting. They might be playing that tournament until like Tuesday or Wednesday. All right, so a few scattered showers available tomorrow morning. This will be the last of it. 7:30, then it's dry. Might get a little bit of afternoon sunshine, not very much until Easter Sunday. 7-day forecast from San Fernando Cathedral, 72 tomorrow. Easter Sunday, warmer at 75. Both mornings. Now, tomorrow will be cloudy with a couple of leftover sprinkles, but on Sunday morning, clouds and maybe a little bit of fog before a partly cloudy afternoon, 75. 76 on Monday, and a 30% chance of rain. We've got another little impulse coming in. Not a great chance, but it is there. And then we start the warming trend. Back to seasonal numbers Tuesday, Wednesday, 80s by Thursday and Friday. Happy Easter.
All right.